Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Filipino recruiter. I receive verify data from Good Day Agency and their jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you
I
a
understand it.
100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
No, ma'am. I'm healthy.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because Malaysia is have no salary deduction and placement fee, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, I'm agree, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Good day, ma'am. I am Chinaria Chin Ale from Lake Cebu, South Cotabato. I am graduating marketing management major in marketing, ma'am. And I am uh, sorry, 27 years old, ma'am, and I have experience since I am studying. I am working student as a housemaid and nanny, ma'am. Uh, take care of kids, 5 years old and 15 years old. I do cleaning, washing clothes, and cooking and ironing, ma'am, and take care of pets.
Okay. So I want to know some few more details from you first. Chinaria, right? So you are 27 years old. You are single without children. Am I
Yes,
right?
yes, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
April 16, 1997, ma'am.
What is your height and your weight?
5'4" of weight and height. My weight is 60.
What is your religion?
I'm Roman Catholic, ma'am.
What about, okay, so you mentioned that you are graduated, right? In what course again? Major on marketing, is it?
Yes, ma'am. Bachelor of Science, major in Marketing Management.
Okay, so what happened? Why you decided to choose this field to work as a domestic helper? You have your degree,
Because
some more. You also applying as a candidate for domestic helper. So what happened?
because salary here, ma'am, in Philippines not enough, and I want to support my family and siblings for their education po.
Okay, so is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
Uh, two brothers and six sisters.
Then what is your rank in your family? What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second, the third?
I am second, ma'am.
Okay, what about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My father is 54, ma'am, and farmers po.
Farmers. Okay, so I would like to let you know that working as a domestic helper is a very tough job, okay? It is quite far away from your field knowing that you have a degree, so maybe later you need to get ready yourself, right? Because it is a very, very tough job, and I would like to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia. Houses here is very big one, okay? There is no joke, yeah? And
Yes,
employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. And you need to get ready yourself. You need to be multitasking. You need to be flexible. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
yes, I'm ready, ma'am.
According to your profile, and you just mentioned a while ago that you have a working experience as a housemaid or nanny, way back 2017 to 2018, you worked there for 1 year, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And you also take care of children which is 5 years old and 2 years old. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
While taking
15
care of
years
this
old.
15, okay. While taking care of these children, did you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so after this, according to your profile, it was also that you have a working experience way back 2024 to 2025 as a food cart attendant for 1 year.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
No, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
As I have mentioned, you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating or breaching of contract, we know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You are the one who wanted to come and work here because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to have a better future for yourself, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are
Yes.
entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. I agree, ma'am.
Okay, if you agree, please work properly and don't give us problem. Don't give us trouble. But if you disagree, it's fine also. You better stay in the Philippines or maybe find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so frequently homesickness will attack you knowing that this is your first time working abroad, then how will you gonna handle it later?
I take a medicines and prayer.
What kind of medicine?
Mm, for a headache.
No. If you feel homesick, like if you miss your family, what will you do?
Sorry, I will call them, ma'am.
You will call them. Okay. So in Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want. You can be the boss there, but here we need to humble ourselves and at the same time, because as I have mentioned, Philippines and Malaysia got different laws. So we need to follow the Malaysian laws at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, okay? I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Thank
you,
you so
ma'am.
much and have a good day.